Hey guys, how you all doing today? Just a little maintenance tip for you today. Have you ever come rolling into the truck stop, maybe to the fuel island, or going to park your truck, and as soon as that truck stops moving, you pull the brakes and turn the key off? Well, I'd encourage you to do that a little bit differently. With these diesel trucks, you definitely want to let them cool down for a little while. Most manufacturers would say a minimum of 3 minutes before you shut the truck off. The hotter the truck is and the harder you've been running it, the little longer you want to go. I say 5 to 10 minutes. And the reason why is, when you come into the truck stop, that turbo's spinning fast, thousands and thousands of RPMs. And when you shut that truck off, you immediately kill the oil supply to that turbo. So those turbo bearings are in a little bath of a very small amount of oil. So when you shut that truck off, the turbo continues to spin at a high speed and slows down, slows down, slows down. It take a few minutes to slow down. Meanwhile, if you shut that truck off, you got a very small amount of oil in there, and you're starving those bearings for fresh oil, and it is essentially going to cook and scorch that small amount of oil that's in the turbo bearings, and that can substantially shorten the life of your turbo, and you don't want that. So absolute minimum of 3 minutes, and I'd say even a little bit longer, 5 to 10, especially if you've been working the truck hard. Plus, let it cool down a little bit, circulate some coolant, dissipate some of the heat from the engine, let the temperature come back down to normal operating temperature, and you can substantially increase the life of your engine. Less maintenance, less downtime, and none of us can afford that in these times right now, with everything so expensive and shops taking forever to get to working on trucks. So that's just a small, easy, free thing you can do to help decrease your maintenance costs and increase the life of your turbo. Everybody take care. Have a great day.